Every morning, the fat controller came to catch his train. Hello, he called to Thomas. Remember, you don't be impatient, Thomas. You never be as fast as strong as Gordon, but you can be a really useful engine. Thomas learned the lesson of his trucks. When Thomas was something in the yard, he saw a small coach and two strange things his driver called cranes. That's the breakdown train, said his driver. The cranes are for lifting heavy things like engines and coaches and trucks. Today, Thomas was in the yard. Suddenly he heard an engine whistling. Help, help! Look at James here, watching too, not too fast. There's a new black engine named James, and he was frightened. His wooden brake locks were on fire. They're breaking me, help! On, laughed the truck. Help, help! Oh, James disappeared. I really need to teach those trucks a lesson, said Thomas the Tank Engine crossly. The bell rang, and the station master called to Thomas. James is on the line. The breakdown train, quickly! Thomas in the section over when he got that coach in the breakdown train. Hurry, hurry, hurry. He wasn't pretending to be like Henry or Gordon, but he really meant it. Bottle those trucks in their tracks. I hope that new engine isn't even hurt. I need to go hurry up and check if he's okay. Jesus, driver fireman and an account look at him. His driver finance looked at him, see if he's hurt. Never mind, James. They said it wasn't your fault. It was those wooden brake locks they gave you, and they said they were no good. Thomas came with the breakdown train, and he pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way and leave the broken trucks behind. The trucks were crossly. No, we went out. Oh, well, what you always do. I hope this will teach you a lesson. And, oh, yes it will. Then cranes they put him back on the rails. James was trying to move, but he couldn't. Thomas said move from so he can meet with a top on hat. I was waiting patiently for them. Well, Thomas, I heard all about it, and I'm very pleased with you. You are a really useful engine. James will have new brakes, a bit of repairs here and there, and a new coat of paint, and you shall have a branch line all to yourself. Oh, thank you, sir. Thomas is happy to be. He has a branch line with two coaches called Annie and Clarabelle. He puts them forth every day. When James is at the works. He was alone. Henry and Ed came to tell the news. But Gordon is in a hurry. But he never forget to say boop boop for his friend. And Thomas always say beep beep and returned.